Good morning, children. Let us begin with Standard 4 English, Unit 9 poem, The Naughty Boy. So let us recite the poem once. The Naughty Boy. There was a naughty boy, and a naughty boy was he. He ran away to Scotland, the people there to see. Then he found that the ground was as hard, that a yard was as long, that a song was as merry, that a cherry was as red, that lead was as weighty, that fourscore was as 80, that a door was as wooden as in England. So he stood in his shoes and he wondered. He wondered. He stood in his shoes and he wondered. This poem is written by John Keats. Now let us learn the new words and their meanings. The first one, naughty, mischievous. Second, wonder, feel curious. Third, fourscore, being 4 times 20. 4, cherry, a red fruit. Fifth, weighty, heavy. Sixth, yard, a unit of measure equal to 3 feet. 7, wooden, made of wood. Answer the following questions. Question 1. From where did the naughty boy come? Answer 1. The naughty boy came from England. I repeat, the naughty boy came from England. Question 2. Where did the naughty boy go? Answer 2. The naughty boy went to Scotland. I repeat, the naughty boy went to Scotland. Question 3. Why did he go there? Answer 3. He went there to see its people. I repeat, he went there to see its people. Question 4. What did the boy wonder about? Answer 4. The boy wondered that all the things found in Scotland were all the same as in England. I repeat, the boy wondered that all the things found in Scotland were all the same as in England. Now, naughty is a describing word. Can you find more describing words in this maze? So you can see a word block here and we have to find few describing words as you can see in the second line we have beautiful. Then in the seventh line we have good. Then the next line we have healthy. Below healthy we have rude. Below rude we have swift. Now if you see across, in beautiful we have across down ugly. Then the next line below beautiful we have naughty. Then as naughty is over we have weak. And in the third standing line we have strong. So these are the describing words that we have in this word block. Now using some of these describing words from the block, we need to fill in the blanks. So the first one, the peacock is a dash bird. So it will be national bird or we can write a beautiful bird. Second, Pinocchio is a naughty puppet. Third, I saw an ugly quarrel. D, morning exercises make you healthy. E, a glass of milk makes your teeth strong. F, Rita's rude behavior annoyed me. G, Rahul does not eat green vegetables. Therefore, his eyesight is weak. Now we need to write any 6 things that are made of wood. So let us begin. Chair, window, ladder, table, door, boat. So here you can also write your own answer and any things that are made of wood. Now look at the words given below and put there under the things that they are made of. So here we can see in a block we are given few pictures with their names, and below that we are given few columns naming metal, wood, rubber and cloth. So from the block above we need to categorize each in these categories. So first we begin with metal. So in metal we can see car is made of metal, scissors are made of metal and a knife is made of metal. Wood, pencil, table, chair. Rubber, balloon, eraser, toys. Cloth, shirt, cap, trousers. Now we need to write that which country does these nation people are known as according to their nationality. So the first nation is India. So the people who live in India are called Indian. So we say it is an Indian nationality. So the people of Scotland are known as Scottish. Australia, Australian. France, French. Japan, Japanese. So this is our nationality. Indian is our nationality. Same way Scottish. If we say they are Scottish people, so means they belong to Scotland. So dear children, I hope you have understood. So now you need to write this poem once in your English notebook and then continue with the meanings and question answers and the exercises which can be done in the textbook itself. You can do it in the text. And remember to please write neatly. So thank you and have a nice day.